Welcome to our channel. Today we how to subscribe with Upwork for finding UI/UX designers for web projects, beginner guide step by step clearly. Visit the Upwork website at www.upwork.com. If you do not have an account, click on the sign up button to create one. Select whether you want to sign up as a client or a freelancer. For finding UI/UX designers, choose the client option. Fill in your details in the sign up form. Confirm your email address by following the instructions sent to your inbox. Once logged in, navigate to the Post a Job section. Click on Post a Job to begin the hiring process. Select Design and Creative as the category for your project. Choose Web and Mobile Design for UI/UX projects. Write a clear and concise job title that reflects your needs. In the job description, outline the project requirements and expectations. Specify the skills required, such as proficiency in tools like Figma or Adobe XD. Set a budget for your project, either hourly or fixed price. Determine how long you expect the project to last. Select an appropriate level of experience for your designer. Once you've completed the form, review the details carefully. Click on the Post Job button to make your job listing live. After posting, browse through the proposals submitted by freelancers. Review each proposal, focusing on their past work and feedback scores. Shortlist candidates that match your project needs. Schedule interviews with your top candidates to discuss your project further. Make your final selection based on skills, experience, and communication. Award the job to the chosen freelancer. Communicate your project details clearly to get started. Ensure to provide feedback throughout the project for better outcomes. Monitor the progress regularly to ensure alignment with your vision. Once the project is complete, review the final deliverables. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.